Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com with a quick overview of the Thule Evo Clamp Wingbar Evo base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Nissan Altima four-door sedan. Here we have the three components that make up this base roof rack system, starting with the Evo Clamp foot pack set of 4 and the Wingbar Evo load bar set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. The fitting kit includes 4 of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as 4 rubber base pads. These base pads have numbers, and the door frame brackets also have numbers, which correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet. Those numbers will guide you in their position on each of the feet. So here's a foot, and we'll just pop off the outer cover. These stickers are provided with the fitting kit to guide you in attaching the correct base pads to the correct foot for its position on the vehicle. So I'll just press around the perimeter to engage that base pad onto the bottom of the foot. And then I'll take this door frame bracket and just slip it into place until I feel it and hear a click. And I know that's all in the right spot based on the numbers on the pads and the decal indicating where it needs to be positioned. Next, we'll go ahead and install the Wingbar Evo load bar. When we do that, you can see here, you have this silver tab that you press against that silver tab, and that lifts this top assembly here, allowing you to engage the bar. Let's go ahead and grab the bar. Here we just have a short segment of the bar that we've cut to show the construction. This is a sophisticated box beam construction of extruded aluminum alloy. It has a dedicated track along the top to accommodate certain accessories. In use, those accessories can be installed by flipping open the end cap and sliding them down in between the 2 pieces of rubber without having to cut the rubber. The benefit is that you have a very clean integrated attachment method for certain accessories, and you have the full length of the bar to position those accessories. Now on the underside of the bar here, we have the track, and that will accommodate the foot. So let me go ahead and take off the end cap. Now you'll see here we have this plastic strip with measurements. Those are scale numbers, and again, those scale numbers are corresponding with the instruction sheet provided with the fit kit to confirm and position the foot onto the bar. Okay, so to do that, again, we'll just press in on those silver tabs, and then I'll slide the bar into place, and I'll bring it down right up against that plastic edge there. Okay, now we also have this exposed part of the track, and we can close that up using the included rubber strip. So we just take that rubber strip and press it down into place, and that'll help to maintain the aerodynamic performance of air flowing over the underside of the bar. So let's go ahead and put our end cap back into place. Now, when it's time to tighten this onto the vehicle, there is a fastener, and that fastener is tightened up with a tool that's provided here. You just insert the tool and begin tightening. When it's fully tightened to the correct tension, this handle will click, indicating it's fully tightened to the proper torque. And you can remove that, and we'll reinstall the outer cover just by clicking that into place. This plastic plug is included. You just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold this cover in place. Now you do have the option to upgrade from the plastic plug to an actual metal keyed lock cylinder. And that lock cylinder is part of Thule's one key system, meaning that all 4 of your feet can be locked with the same key. And that can also be extended from a 4-pack for the base roof rack system to a 6-pack, 8-pack, and beyond, so that you can have not only your roof rack locked with the same key, but also potentially your other accessories that are part of Thule's one key system can all be locked using just the one key, making it very convenient to lock your items onto your Thule roof rack system. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Nissan Altima four-door sedan. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for a complete installation overview on this rack system, as well as links taking you to the options to purchase this rack system at rackattack.com. And thanks for watching.